Hello, I'm Rodney Grounds with Robopac USA. Today I wanted to talk to you about our Prasmatic TC Combi series case packing machines. The TC Combi series is the most flexible case packer on the market because it allows you to do film-only bundles, pad and film bundles, tray and film bundles, and full wraparound cases all on the same machine. Quick and accurate changeover is the key to a machine that offers the flexibility of packaging in multiple formats. We accomplish this by equipping these machines with full automation on the changeover driven by servo motors. This particular machine is the Prasmatic TC 400 Combi, which means it's capable of running up to 45 packs a minute. Another feature that makes the Prasmatic TC Combi series the best value in its class are the full-length sliding doors. When pulled back, these doors give you access to 2/3 of the machine so you can perform maintenance. The Prasmatic TC Combi series is designed with other features which will aid in uptime, increase your performance, and your profitability. One of these features is what we call our Easy Film Group. The Easy Film Group is a unit that sends outside of the frame of the machine. It allows you to have 2 film mandrels. These are positioned in an ergonomically correct position for easy film loading. It also allows you to automatically splice the film tail from one film roll to the other when one film roll expires, preventing you from having to shut down the machine for a film change. This Prasmatic TC 400 Combi machine is immediately available. It's designed to run rigid cylindrical products. So whether you're running PET bottles, glass bottles, glass jars, aluminum cans, steel cans, or other cylindrical products, this is the machine for you. If you have a packing need, please contact us at the information below.